Hi guys, good morning. So ito na nga tayo, nandito tayo ngayon sa ating city tour dito sa Cebu. At ang unang pinuntahan natin sa city tour is itong Mactan Shrine, kung saan dito namatay si Magellan nung nakipaglaban siya kay Lapu-Lapu, ang ating isang bayani sa Pilipinas. Okay, ikutin natin itong Mactan Shrine. Okay guys, yung ating Mactan Shrine. Okay, dito yung sabi ko nga sa inyo, si Magellan nagland at nakausap si ang ating hero si Lapu-Lapu. Ayan, ito yung water, dito sila nagland and then sinalubong sila ni Lapu-Lapu. So ito yung Mactan. Ayan, kaya dito nilagay yung Mactan Shrine because of Lapu-Lapu. Victory at Mactan 1521 2021. So 1521 guys, nagland si Magellan at hindi sila nagkasundo ni Lapu-Lapu at dito namatay si Magellan. Kaya victory at Mactan. So ayan guys. Oh, galing. Pilipinas, kailangang pagtanggol ang Pilipinas. Ayan naman siya, ang pinuno ng Mactan. Ayan. Ayan guys, ito yung simbolo Gloras Españolas. Nice. Okay, Lapu-Lapu. Kinsman repulsed Spaniards and leaders, killing their leader, Brian Magellan. Lapu-Lapu became the first Filipino to have repelled Philippine aggression. Mabuhay Pilipinas. See? Yeah. On this spot, Brian Magellan died April 27, wounded in an encounter. Soldiers of Lapu-Lapu seat. Ayan. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Hindi pwede dito sa Cebu. Okay, dito na tayo sa Fort San Pedro. Ito naman katabi is Plaza Independencia. Dati marami ito ano.
San Pedro.
Ito Fort San Pedro po. Fort San Pedro.
Hi guys, we are now here at Fort San Pedro here in Cebu, no? So pasukin natin yung Fort San Pedro guys, okay? Okay guys, ito na nga ang ating structure, the very historical Fort San Pedro here in Cebu City. Pasukin natin. Okay, ayan na nga guys, we are now entering the Fort San Pedro. Okay, they call it El Fuerte de San Pedro. Okay, so it was built in 1565 by the Spanish rule. And so talagang very historical to guys. Itong structure na to here in Cebu, no? So here naman yung mga photos or pictures ng the founding of Cebu. So yan guys. So medyo mga luma na yung mga pictures because talaga namang luma na rin talaga yung city, no? So yan yung mga historical pictures. Tingnan nyo naman. So very talagang lumang-luma. Then here are the Fort San Pedro in the past. So yan yung kanilang mga pictures in the past. So yan. Mga Spanish time pa yan. So yan lahat yung mga photos na na-preserve nila, no? Okay, within the time frame na ang Cebu ay talagang very new pa, no? So, and then meron ditong parang in February 11, 1998, the Filipino people commemorates the royal spirit of the Majesties. Ayan guys, so ito now, we are now inside the port. Okay, ito, very beautiful. May mga flowers, may mga trees. Kumbaga dito nagbabantay no, siguro yung mga Guardia Civil, no? Binabantayan nila siguro ang pinaka-top head ng Cebu at that time. So, ayan yung mga structure. Lumang-luma pa rin guys. And narinig nyo yung mga sounds. May tumutugtog kasi dito. Guys, so ayan. Meron ditong tumutugtog kaya rin yun. So ayan, yan yung mga structure inside the fort. Diba? Ganda. Very relaxing. Kung gusto mo mag-meditate, pwede kang pumunta dito. Ito naman yung mga historical things here inside the fort, no? Yan, mga pictures, yung mga suit. Yan, so lahat ng yan is actually here inside the fort. So ayan guys, we are now here sa ibabaw ng fort kung saan umiikot ang mga Guardia Civil dati at tinitignan ang buong paligid ng place. So ayan yung parang in front of the park here. Ayan, tayo nakapark, ayun yung car natin. Ayan, so ipaikot siya, no? So kitang-kita mo lahat yung nangyayari. Ito naman yung nasa loob guys ng fort, yung kaninang nilakaran natin. Ayan, sa right side. Ayan, yan yung kanina. Okay guys, so ayan, palabas na tayo ng Fort San Pedro at punta na tayo sa iba pang place na tourist spot here in Cebu. Okay guys, here are the heritage of Cebu. Okay, so ayan guys, yung heritage of Cebu here, one of the famous places or rebulto dito sa Cebu. Okay guys, so the Heritage of Cebu Monument, okay, so ito yun, at showcasing the important events in Cebu City's history, no? It is one of the highlights of the town. Yung mga scenes ito guys is depicted on the monument is related to the time of Spain's colonial rule over the country after the recent beatification of Pedro Calungsod. Yung nakita nyo kanina, the Cebuano martyr. Okay guys, meron akong 5 things dito guys. So, number 1, Cebu is the home of the first Filipino hero. Okay, yan nga yung si Lapu-Lapu. Cebu is the oldest city in the Philippines. Number 2. Number 3, the best tasting lechon is in Cebu. Number 4, the country's oldest Christian relic is in Cebu. And number 5, country's president died in the mountain in Cebu. And that is President Ramon Magsaysay. Okay guys, we are now at the Magellan's Cross. Okay, another one of the tourist spot here in Cebu City. 1834. So Magellan's Cross is one of the most famous historical landmark here in Cebu City guys. It is housed in a octagonal pavilion made up of adobe and red tiles. Okay, many tourists have regularly visited this cross. Yan o, ganda. Isipin nyo lang guys, no, how they preserve this cross. No, isipin nyo from 1521 up to now, still nandiyan pa rin tong cross na to. Ganun katagal. Ang haba ng preservation na ginawa nila for this cross. Actually, the original cross is actually enclosed on this kind of cross. No? Sa loob siya ng cross ito, yung original na pinalan ni Magellan dito sa Cebu. Okay guys, beside the Magellan's Cross, we have the church and convent of Santo Niño. So, this is also a very historical site here in Cebu, just beside the Magellan's Cross. Okay guys, so let's go inside the church. So tahimik tayo dapat, no? Maraming mga sumasamba dito. And we have to respect and be quiet, okay? I love Niño. Okay, guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa parang garden ng convent at the same time ng Church of Santo Niño. So dito nag-stay siguro yung mga nakatira sa convent. At the same time yung mga gusto mag-stay dito to meditate or to repent na mga churchgoers, they can stay here and they can relax and chill and pray here in the garden. Hello guys, so we are now going to the Ocean Park of Cebu City. As you can see, dadaan tayo dyan sa pinakamahabang bridge dito sa Cebu and also in the Philippines. So magkakaroon tayo ng separate na vlog for that. Okay, so for now, we will go to Ocean Park, Cebu City. Yay! Hi guys! So ito na nga, nandito tayo ngayon sa Ocean Park, Cebu City. We're going inside the Ocean Park and we're gonna see all the different kinds of ocean species in the Ocean Park. So, samahan nyo ako, bisitahin natin ang Ocean Park here in Cebu City. Okay guys? Ang cute. Dili ka. Maganda. Okay. So ba? O, magtambak mo lang yun doon. Ito na.